Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a patty melt. So you fry off some onions until they start going brown and soft. Pop your burger on. Few minutes on one side and then flip. Okay, so the burger's almost there. Pop a slice of bread with mayo spread on it at the bottom. Your burger on top. Big wodge of the onions, slice of Swiss cheese over the top, and then squirt of water and the cloche on for a few minutes. After a couple of minutes the cheese softens. Put your second piece of toasted bread on top. Another squirt for some steam. Another minute. Okay, nice and hot. Okay, so let's see how we've done. Oh yes. Look at that. Lovely crisp toasted bread. Beautiful burger. Tons of caramelised onions and some melty cheese on top. Let's have a taste of this. Okay, so I'm going in. Oh wow, that's incredible. Totally different experience to a burger. You've got the nice toasted bread. You've got the tons of caramelised onion, nice and juicy and sweet. You've got the melted Swiss cheese on top of a lovely, well-cooked burger. This is amazing. This is incredible. Cheers. Filthy food at its best. Love, love, love this recipe. If you enjoy what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, there's a box down in the corner there. Subscribe, like, let me know you like my videos. Cheers.